Okay, guys, we are at 672 South Porter right here in Gilbert, Arizona. And this house is having an open house on Saturday, June 14th, 2025. We'll be here 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Now, give you a little bit of information about this location. We are 10 minutes from the Santan Village, and that's where you're going to get your Costco shopping, Total Wine, all the good ice cream you can find, and several pizza places, including Grimaldi's, which does all the fresh stuff, right? In addition to that, you're close to Sam's Club and several doctors' offices and things like that that you can use for your day-to-day. You're also in that Gilbert school district, which has an A rating, is one of the most sought after school districts here in Arizona. Now, I think this house is going to be a perfect home for a first-time home buyer coming in at a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,500 square foot house and priced only at $499,000. Now we'll run some comps, you and I together. I'll actually have that at the open house for you to see, so you know what kind of offer we should put in on this home. Now, before we go any further, let's do a walkthrough and see if this should even be on your list. See you in a second. Okay, guys, here we go at 672 South Porter. This is a home I'll be doing an open house on Saturday, actually. So Saturday, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Let's get in here and see what this home is all about. Listen, you getting first impression like me? Let's get some lights on. It's nice and open. Kitchen at the front of the house. Right. Yeah, I've been in this house, not this exact house before, but I've been in this floor plan before for sure. Has a den right here. Has a bathroom.
Excited.
Okay.
And
I think we had a 3-bedroom.
like
So that was one, a den, 2 bedrooms. This is the master. Do we have some light? Yeah. Oh, new shower. All right. Yeah. Okay. Little walk-in closet in there. Yeah, this KB, they love doing this thing right here. Look like they left some chairs for me. Oh, check out the backyard, y'all. Yeah, they got some turf back here. Okay. Well, artificial turf, guys, not the real stuff. Okay. That looks nice. All right. Well, listen, come see me on Saturday. You need to walk through this one yourself. Okay, guys, I hope you liked that walkthrough. This was a quick walkthrough just to give you an idea of what the house looks like. Condition wise, it's great. There's nothing that you have to do in this house condition wise. Now, we are going to do an inspection on the property. We have to do that. You may want to change some things cosmetically as far as how they look to your personal preference or style. Even looking at the backyard, there's no trees for the shade, but as you can see, I'm standing under the shade right now, and that wall behind you has power. So if you want to put a TV on the wall, the possibilities are endless. Okay, so come on out to the open house. It'll be Saturday the 14th from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and the address again is 672 South Porter Street. That's Gilbert, Arizona 85296. Look forward to seeing you there.